Hello and welcome to Attachment Studios, and it's me, Attachment Aditya, and this is a Android device. Now, the best part is that I will be making animations, and I think it's the worst part as well. By the way, I have not left coding, but I will be just releasing the cinematic devlogs in this channel, but actually, for the coding tutorials, you should visit my second channel. Well, I'll try for leaving a link. So it's, by the way, its name is Attachment Studios Code. Don't forget to check it. If you are new to coding, then I guess you should, and I guess maybe you shouldn't. But it's good to actually start from this channel and then that it's okay. So first of all, for making animation, I am using FlipaClip. Well, FlipaClip will should is a freemium according to some Wikipedia or something, but it is called premium, a freemium, because you can use it unlimitedly, but it will release a watermark in your animation till you don't purchase it and remove the option. And you can even add some musics, much musics to it. So first of all, the project name, let's name it as uh, animation 1. Not new to animation, but still, or maybe let's do something like a good project. So gravity might be the name, and actually that's okay. The speed is better, about 12 to about 10 to 30 fps. I don't think you should go for the 30 fps till you have a good stylish, but yes, you can go for 1080p pixels YouTube, or this. You can even go for smaller, but I would suggest not. So I would, actually it's your choice. It's not like I would not suggest, but I would prefer YouTube 180p first, because it's the best, because it's like, yeah, you can draw more pixels, and you can actually draw it for YouTube, and YouTube is actually available for all. Oh wait, okay, now I have said. Now you can choose your background, that is okay, but you have different types of options. You can make it as a paper or not. I will be choosing the default one actually, and then create the project. It's like I'm giving tutorial. Well, you might not be able to see it. Yes, I don't have a stylish yet, and I never had. Now it's your turn to, it's your choice to dismiss or not. I will dismiss it. Now, if you are doing that for first time, then it's your choice. You can always go to settings, not over this screen, but actually in the home screen. But for now, let's actually just start. Now you can drag and configure other things with your two fingers. Well, you will not have stylish, but stylish has some special properties, I guess. So it's a little bit different. I don't have stylish, so it's a regular type. So let's start by doing something like a simple thing, and it's like let's make a ground. So for making, just select the pen one. By default it is always selected. Now you can add another layer. Well, by default the onion screen is also available. You also have the grid option, and Also some scale option over here. The upper right hand corner, the leftmost option. Now over here I will be making some simpler. Oh, you know what? Because we should make it easier, we can just like copy and paste it. Okay, it's hanging a little bit. Now let's paste it again, I guess. Now you might want to do something like, well, no way, I'm just making a ground. And it's like, so what? You are just making a ground and nothing else. So to make it even better, let's go for the ruler. Change the angle by rotating the circles. You can actually see the angle in the top right corner. So just set it like this and move the rectangle for moving the whole thing. Now it's not necessary where you need to draw, you need to keep that over there, but you can actually keep that aside to do it like, okay, you don't want to spoil it, don't. So now just go ahead and make a line anywhere, any kind. So it's like it's made and it's not good. So it will move your stuff correctly. Okay, let's just remove that by undoing that. And now carefully let's go ahead and do something like join it to the ground. So it's joined to the ground. Now it's better to copy, paste, okay, ruler off, again paste. It sometimes takes some time. Well, it's like now my ladder. Now copy all, then add a frame, paste. Now what else can you do? Let's do something like, wait, it's the default option. Let's select the whole thing. If you just make something like this, then across the area, then you will be able to move it. Now don't make it too much and keep it as simple as possible. Now what you can do is that take the pen option, and it might take some time according to your device to notice that you have clicked it. Then select, then make another one, but not like that. Okay, it's not perfect, so I will make it here. Choose the lasso tool and select it. Move it to somewhere over here. Let's adjust that. I guess it's enough. Now perfection is not the thing you want over here. You want first to make it. If you are stylish, yeah, you can go ahead for perfection. It's no way a big deal. So now again, lasso tool. Wait. Lasso tool. Just select the part where you want and move it a little bit lower. Now what I want is to disappear and make some good effects. Now let's go ahead, or wait, we haven't done that yet. So another thing you can do is just copy a part of same thing, copy that, paste that, move that, so the item stays there, but you are just moving a copy of the same item. Now the next thing you can do is that maybe now you will be able to remove some things. So now we can just do something like this, and now I want to remove these move these to over here only, because why not? So much perfection is not required actually. You can just leave it. Well, the screen is small enough so we can't actually recognize. Okay, after a few frames, it's actually not a big file, but if you play it, it seems like it's moving, and the more it moves, you will feel like, oh wait, what, there's ads now in this app. Okay, you will not feel like that, but it's like I am feeling for the first time. I've never seen ads in this earlier. Well, I know I had some experience. Now, because we are going up, and I want that our character will have a place where it can actually stop um, being there. So now I will slightly keep on decreasing till I reach the place where I wish to be. So for me, actually, you can just click on the frame that you want to delete and it will be deleted. Now finally, this is the place I want to be. So let's just make it better. Now what I want to do is that oh no, I want to make a platform for our, it's not like you should make one, but better if you do. So now you must have seen the eraser tool that okay, so for making it opaque, just drag the opacity circle to lower. Okay, it needs time, some time. I guess the platform is okay till here. Yeah, it must be. But the main problem is that it's like FlipaClip is not like that. Try to make your platform similar as each time. You can do one thing first and second thing later, and I will be doing like layer by layer if you want, so that it's a little bit easier. So there is no platform in this. Let's go to the first slide, just drag it and play it. So here it is, a simple GIF. Well, I guess I don't want to export it to a GIF, but I want it to be a little bit good. So let's add our character. Should it be a circle? Actually, let's make it a circle only. A small circle. Okay. Okay, I didn't knew you could do this. Okay, I need to stop doing that. Okay. So circle tool failed. So custom circles, not that big of a deal. Just make one. Okay, I'm unable. So for that, let's go ahead, zoom in. Actually, it's like you cannot sense the screen so properly. So let's make it even small. Or you know what? Let's go ahead and add some layers. I guess it should be there. Layers. Okay, here is the layers. In the bottom right corner, let's add another one. We are to make sure that you are in the correct layer. There will be a red mark. Now over here, whatever we do will not affect much. Two fingers, remember, will help. Now let's make a circle. Well, it's enough. Perfect circle. Now let's go keep it lower. Now select this, but only the circle gets selected. So this time we are not worried. So let's delete the circle. Go to the last frame, select, copy, next frame, paste. Okay, move the circle, next page. Uh, is the circle over? Yeah. Paste it, move the circle again, and please make sure that it's in the position. And again, let's paste it, keep it even down lower. So lower it goes, and I guess we reached the frame we wished for. It's up here. And that's how you make a ball in a platform, and it's easy because selection gets easier. Now we can actually name if we want, so let's name that to the ball, that as the ball, layer ball. Now let's rename that to something what I call as um, rigid objects and bodies. Actually, rigid ground or something, or platform better. I guess the video is being little bit longer, so you can uh, make layers and more. Let's play it once. So we can see a ball, and it's so fast that it's very fast, but it's very fast that you cannot even notice any much changes. You can actually do like change the frames per second to 8. I guess it may be good, it may not be good. Let's play it. A little bit laggy. I guess 10 or 11 may be perfect, but it's still too fast. Just take it to 10. The maximum limit is 30 seconds, 30 frames per second. So frame per second is the amount of frames that will be displayed per second. 10 per second uh, means that it will take in 1 second you'll see 10 frames, and in 10 per frame, 10 fps frame per second, and we have 16, divide that with 10 and you will get the amount of time we will actually get. So it's about something like 1.6 seconds. Now it's not necessary to use two layers, more layers, one layers. It's your choice actually, because it's about individual. Let's paste that here. Now I guess I will be focusing on the ball a little bit. So the ball jumps, I guess. But don't forget about the platform. So platform, under here we will copy this whole slide, paste it in. Wait, what's this? Why are there twice? Oh wait, we need to shift. So this ball right here, I don't want to see you. Okay, it's moved. We can just move by do something like this, add a frame, or actually let's just go ahead and do something like platform, copy it, go here, paste it, and where's our ball? So here's the ball. Go to layer ball, select the thing, copy that, paste that, keep it a little higher, and after I guess 3 frames, it's like it will look like bouncing, and then you can take that back. And so that's how you make an animation. I guess I will be releasing this animation sooner, and I guess don't forget to visit Attachment Studios Core. Well, that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's it.